What happens when a billionaire offers $50 million for a car and the brand says no? Welcome to the priceless world of concept cars. Today, we rank the ultimate machines that money literally cannot buy. If you're vibing with this, show some love with a like and subscribe. It helps us keep the momentum going. Oh, and ring that bell so you never miss a beat. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rocket on wheels. Dodge stuffed a massive V10 Viper engine into a four-wheeled bike, reaching a theoretical top speed of 400 miles per hour. Imagine a car powered by a nuclear reactor. In 1958, Ford designed this scale concept to travel 5,000 miles on a single capsule of radioactive uranium. This sci-fi masterpiece is a rolling laboratory. Powered by a unique hydrogen-electric hybrid system, it looks like a 1970s retro icon with futuristic hypercar performance. Inspired by the movie Avatar, this car has no steering wheel. Instead, it connects to your heartbeat and is controlled entirely by your thoughts and biometric sensors. This legendary wedge-shaped concept car inspired the design of almost every modern supercar. It was actually the very first car in history to feature scissor doors. A nuclear-powered car, or one that reads your mind. Which of these insane concepts belongs in your garage? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe for more.